Okay, this is what the Samsung RS253 looks like prior to taking everything apart to unfreeze the coils that are behind this panel. Okay. Okay, again we're showing you the Samsung RS253 refrigerator side by side. This refrigerator seems to have some issues freezing up and getting water down here on the bottom where the fruit tray is, or whatever you're using it for, tray. And what happens is these vents get filled up with ice. Behind here is your refrigerator coils, and I'll show that in my second video. Right now I'm just showing you how to take off the front pieces. This is attached up here by 2 screws. When you put these back on, they just go on snug. Everything is just snug. You don't need to torque it down to strip it. There are 2 screws here, 2 screws here. There's a cover that goes over this. And when you're putting this door back in place, make sure it snaps all the way in before you start screwing in everything. And there's also a wireway. There's 2 EPROMs that I show in the second video. Make sure that the wires are, there's a little wireway for one of the cords, or one of the wires, I apologize. And I did not know this, but I had not even seen these, but these have deodorizers. So I'm going to see if I can get these replaced. So they circulate air through there and keep your refrigerator smelling decent. You can go ahead while you have this down as to use a light bleach solution or one that's pre-made from the store. You can use like a 1/4 cup for a gallon and be fine. Spray this all down and get it sanitary again. Okay, time out. Hi ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at a Samsung RS253 refrigerator side by side, and common problem these things have is that they tend to freeze up and water comes out of the refrigerator side on the bottom, and sometimes the freezer side freezes up. And to unfreeze that, you can just open the door, turn it off for a few hours to unfreeze that. But on the refrigerator side, this becomes more problematic because of the coils behind this panel. If you see down in here, there are your refrigerator coils, and you'll need to remove this cover, which is held on by screws, and then there are 2 EPROM plugs that you can just unplug by your fingers. And you basically need a heater to unfreeze that coil if it freezes up on you. So now I'm just going to put this back together. This is about 36 hours of downtime for your refrigerator. So if you don't use a heater, it'll probably take longer than that. This is an ambient temperature of 78 degrees. And I had to use a heater. So I'm going to put this back together and I'll show you it all back together.